Hello everybody, my name is Jeff Koss and I am doing this video presentation today for a class that I am taking at the University of Advancing Technology, and that class is CSC-230 Internet of Things. And what I have to do for this assignment is I have to demonstrate my skills by using an M5 stick C+, writing a program on it, and having that information be transferred over to a site called ThingSpeak. ThingSpeak basically records information off of the Internet of Things device, so you can make charts and stuff like that. So I'm going to get into the coding part of it here. It's really simple. I actually used the Frankenstein method where I took parts of one code and added it to another because I had code written already for a acceleration or an accelerometer basically that is on the M5 stick, and I wanted to take that data and be able to use it with ThingSpeak. So to begin, what I did is I included a couple of header files, the one for the M5 stick plus, the ThingSpeak one, the Wi-Fi one, which allows me to transmit data over Wi-Fi, and one that is called secrets, that basically is a text file that has information on my password and all that to get onto the internet. All of these right here, the unsigned long, this constant character here. This is for your API key, and your channel number, which you're going to need for ThingSpeak. That is also in the same document that I just described. This is your secret password, your SSID number, all that stuff. These are variables that are going to store the value on the accelerometer X, Y, and Z position, and the max X, Y, and Z position, because what this does is it basically records the max value and spits out an average. And what we do with this is we try to see if there's been an increase in velocity or not. And if there is, it's going to start flashing a light after it gets above a certain threshold. Okay, setup is pretty easy. Serial begin, start the serial monitor. Delay 100. I don't know why I put that delay in there. It shouldn't be in there, but I guess it works. It still works. So anyway, it's pretty cool when you catch your own errors. Anyway, we're gonna roll with this just to see what the outcome is going to be. I think it's going to work. No big deal. A delay of 100 milliseconds. Yeah, big deal. Okay. Anyway, so we start the Wi-Fi mode. We start ThingSpeak. We do a pin mode for the LED, and M5 begin. So we start the M5 stick, and we set the rotation. So it's basically in landscape mode. Fill the screen of black, and then I write a bunch of cool stuff. Okay, so moving on in the main loop. So here's what we do here. So before I move on, the reason why I have this over in the setup is because this only needs to run once. So this is always going to be on the screen, these words right here. The loop is going to entail the actual information being captured by the M5 stick and the accelerometer. So that's what all this is right here. And then we go into a counter. So ThingSpeak can only accept data every 20 seconds or so from this device, because I'm using the free version. So in order to get real-time data for myself on the screen and to be able to upload it to ThingSpeak in the amount of time that it requires, I use this counter. And once it loops 200 times, because it's running every 100 milliseconds, that equals 20,000. 20,000 is basically 20 seconds. So it'll basically send information from this to ThingSpeak every 20 seconds. And that's what this does here. That's what all this does here. So that's pretty much it. The next part is going to be the demonstration video. Guys, I had a wonderful time with this, and I hope you enjoy it. Thank you very much. Have a great day. Bye-bye. Okay guys, so I have my M5 stick connected to the internet. As you can see, it's writing to the channel. It was less than a minute ago. It's updating. Again, there you go. It just wrote to the channel. Let's see if we can get this thing to... Okay, so I triggered an event there, and it is now blinking. And we will see if it will connect again within the next 20 seconds or so, give or take. So this wasn't a hard project. I'm kind of late on it though. I had a lot of stuff going on, so yeah, but it's getting done. So as you can see, we are logging data to it. Not a problem at all. So yeah, let's see here. Every once in a while though, this thing will go buggy on me. I just want to see, I want to get it to do at least one more. Okay, it's not, okay, so it lost its connection. It's going to connect in just a second here. So the internet's running a little slow today. Okay, it's attempting to connect. Connected. Channel write. Successful. So it's writing. You can see that it's writing. Everything is good. Yeah, so ThinkSpeak is working pretty good here. Okay, guys, that's the end of my presentation. Have a good one.